So guys, finally took her out on her first car show. So guys, took her out to the first car show. I was one of the first 150 people to enter, so I get a free t-shirt. And let's go check out the other cars right now.
Will be your free gift for a t-shirt tonight with your blue raffle ticket. So make sure you have that blue raffle ticket. If you were one of the first 150 cars, you get a blue shirt. Or I'm sorry, you get a free shirt. If you're not one of the 150 cars, you can still purchase a t-shirt to remember tonight's event for $15. For $15. Those are also available at the raffle tent.
Guys, Dodge decided to come out and show off their green Charger RTs and a Challenger. Pretty dope. Alrighty guys, so there is a few bikes out here today too. There's a nice Mustang, and that, guys, huge turnout today. Hopefully it doesn't rain. So I gotta watch my windows, close them when needed if it's gonna rain. So just gonna take you guys around and see what kind of vehicles are out here today. Run across the aisles. So we got some Challengers up here as well. We got a Hellcat, a couple Hellcats actually. Nice, really nice. Got a Shelby GT500 at the show. Haven't seen a supercar yet, but we don't need one, honestly. Look at all these cars. Really nice out here. Pretty cool, guys. You got all kinds of cars here today. Even some that don't look so good. Great. More Camaros, pickup trucks. Well, here's these right here. Beautiful. Oh, we got our first supercar of the show, guys. Already filmed this guy, but here's the Quattro QR8. And that is a beast right there. You got them, all them vets up here as well. Pretty darn cool, guys. Love it. Guys, we got a Slug Bug as well, right there, or a Slugging Beetle as you call it. Nice Jeep right there. More Corvettes, pickup trucks. Ooh, a Lexus IS 300. So as you can see, I'm just gonna run through the rows here very quickly. Not really gonna show off too much because it's all about the car show. If you guys want to see the cars that I'm gonna feature on my channel, you guys gotta subscribe, because then I'll just, you know, post some shorts of very cool, awesome cars. So one more row, guys, I'm gonna show you. There's a whole bunch of more cars coming in, but one more row I'm gonna show you, and then it's up to the competition of the car show. If I see any more cool cars coming in, I'm gonna take a video of them rolling in. Other than that, one more row. Really nice over here. So guys, it's actually raining. Some of the folks are leaving, but hopefully I can catch quite a few more cars and put it on my shorts and put it on this video as well. Hopefully it stops raining. They said in about 15 minutes it should stop raining. That's the old Mustang. What? Come on. Oh, it's turbo.
Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064
Turn right for
this particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.